What is up, Froden boys? Coming back at you with vlog number 3 in a row. Today, we got the camera equipment. So this is officially the last video that's gonna be shot on the iPhone. We got the boxes right here. Oh, George is sniffing them. Yeah, okay, well there's the boxes. We got all the camera equipment in there. So now we gotta grab a knife. We gotta open the boxes. Oh shit, boy. What is this? George, look at this. Oh, I think you guys know what this is. Oh, that is the camera. The Canon Rebel T5I. Look at that. Alright, we don't need this anymore either. What do we have here? Okay, so we got the video microphone. Sweet. So that goes on the camera. We got, oh yes, the carrying case for everything. It's just like a little Canon satchel that we can put everything in for when we're out in like the dirt and stuff. We don't want to get that all messed up. Let's put that over there. And I think yep, that's the tripod. So we got a tripod too, so we don't have to be holding the camera the whole time while we're filming. So let's put that over there. Let's get rid of this box. So let me get this stuff like unpackaged and then I'll show you guys more in depth. Alright guys, so I got everything unpackaged. I got the camera together with all the parts that I bought for it. So let's just go ahead and show it to you. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T5I right here. We got this thing, which is an external microphone. I call it the Dingleberry, but it's made by Rode. Got this cable coming down here that plugs into the mic port. I'm not really too familiar with DSLRs, but I got it figured out and working. Pretty much, so I got that on there. So you just flip out the screen. I mean, you don't have to flip out the screen, but for me, I like it. So you flip out the screen, and then up here you see you got off, on, and camera, or video. So I'm gonna put it on video just because, you know, we're Froden boys, we're taking video. So when it comes on, and oh wait, yeah, you gotta take off the lens cover. Okay, lens cover's off, and there we go. I got it on autofocus mode, and you can see anything I shoot at just automatically focuses on. And yeah. So it's really, really high quality. I'm curious to see how this mic does. I might do a test of like, you know, regular camera audio versus this one. Like unplug it and then take some shots and plug it back in. We also got this tripod here, as you can see, and we also have a camera bag. So when we're out in the desert and stuff, we don't get the stuff all dirty. So let's switch over to this, because I mean, we have it. No sense in using the iPhone. This thing's kind of crappy. I might throw it up on here. I might have my mom help me record. She's over there. But yeah, let's switch over to this. Sit. Sit. Look cute. George. Good job. At ease, George. Hey, Buster. What are you doing? Alright. Let's see here. Mom! I'm testing out the camera. What are you doing?
I am prepping some batting to make some quilt sandwiches.
Okay.
Whatever that means. And I'm spraying the batting to get rid of the wrinkles. Because when I quilt it, if I leave wrinkles, then you'll see them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are back out here in the garage with the beautiful ZX-10. Today I actually got a lot of work done to it. We got that other clutch lever on there. We got the sprockets on there, so now we're down one, up two, down one in the front, up two in the rear gear wise, so our final drive ratio is different. We got a new chain, and we got a new chain on there. But I pretty much just wanted to make this video as a quick intro to the new Rebel T5i. This is probably going to be how a lot of our videos are going to be happening now. So we're not going to have like the shaky camera because we have the camera on a tripod. I'm not going to need two people for us to make videos. Sorry about the light, by the way. This was happening in the last video. But yeah, it should be a lot nicer. We have the microphone on there now, so the audio quality should be a lot higher than it was. It's going to be a lot better now. So the quality of videos is going to be going way up. Everything's looking up from here. We got the camera, we got the microphone, we got the tripod. Bike's getting worked on. I got my Garmin Verb. I got it back. I just like threw it somewhere and forgot about it, but I remember where it was. We got a lavalier microphone for that. We got the 3.5mm adapter, so things are looking up. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Should be good. Let's turn this light on for the outro. Alright guys, so that is it for today on Froden Boys. Be on the lookout for a moto vlog coming very soon, and we will see you guys next time.